Hey, what's going on YouTube? My name is Ozzy and welcome to Fuel the Force. In today's video, we have Reg. It is, I can't explain it. I get so excited when I see cars. It is sick, a bad, bloody Batmobile M1. Let's not waste any time. Let's get into the video. So anyway, Reg, listen, the time has come, yeah, for you to show me, and the car, how does it go? All right, listen, Reg, yeah, the time has come for you to show me what you got, what the car's got, so let me feel the force.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm ready, yeah? So,
you sure you're ready?
Yeah, of course I'm ready, whenever you're ready, like, you know what I mean? Oh my God, oh my God. What? Oh my God! Bruv, you crackhead! You crackhead! No way! No way! Oh! Wow! Wow! Go, 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 go! Ah, bruv, I love it! Oh, wow, bro! This is mad! Oh my God! Bruv, I swear, I feel like if I'm seeing, like, I got no words, bro. Man, it feels like a monster, bro. Whoa. Oh my God. Whoa. You're naughty, mate. Yeah, that's better. No swing. You are a very naughty boy. Man, you are a nutter. What a car. What a car. What a machine.
Man, it's mad, isn't it?
Bro, wow! Bro! Oh, you listen, you're not going home, mate. You listen, just give me the keys, bro. So a bit of a launch control, yeah? Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Bro! Oh, flip! Oh, man, that is mad! Your wheels are spinning like.
Mad, isn't it?
Oh my God, bro! I swear to God, I am not over exaggerating. This
Scary, isn't it?
is the far. Oh my God, give me a chance, man. This car, I love it. I love all the cars, but I have to say again, I'm sorry. This is my favorite car, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Let's stay that way. Stay loyal.
Nah, I'm gonna change tomorrow. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Yeah. It's something else, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it feels solid.
Yeah.
Like, I swear to God, not at one stage. Yeah, even it did go off a bit,
yeah,
but I still felt safe, man.
Yeah.
I feel like if I'm glued to the ground and I ain't moving.
Yeah.
And bruv, I honestly, the kick I got from that, the power, the power and the sound of the exhaust and the car, bro, you can't top it. No. You can't top it. Do me a favor, yeah? I'm not gonna lie, I haven't had enough, yeah? So what you're gonna do now, or do you want a flat surface? It don't matter. Reg don't care. He wants to kill a nation, man. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. lie, yeah. Just can I have some more? Yeah? Like, give it some more.
A bit more.
Go all out, bruv. Go all out.
That's it. That's all out.
Alright.
Yeah.
Go! What? 26, 25, 29 miles per hour! We got it! Yeah! Bro, I'm sorry, man. I know this is very uncomfortable for you guys to watch, but I'm telling you the honest truth. This car
is
this is love. I think I found my reason to live in life, man. It's for this. No, I bet delete that. Yeah, so listen, man. This is it. This is your time to shine.
Yeah.
Just go all out. You might want to make a bit of a
gap.
Yeah, and just like drive like you've never driven before, but you mustn't pass 30 miles per hour.
Yeah.
No, it's a 40 mile per hour zone.
Oh, so you get 39.
39 and a half.
Or maybe 41.
Yeah, or maybe 40 if you're feeling
brave.
a bit. Yeah, feeling brave. Yeah, so just give it to me, man. Like, do you know what I mean? Whenever you're ready, my brother.
When are you ready?
I'm ready. I am ready. Look, it's smiling.
Let's go.
Yeah. I've got no words. Oh my God. Whoa. Wow. You done it. 40 miles per hour. Oh my God, bro. I'm in love. I'm not gonna lie. I'm in love. Listen, yeah. I don't care who's been on the channel, yeah. This is the best car. I'm sorry. I know when I see next to his car, I'm probably gonna say the same thing, but I don't care. This is my favorite car on the channel so far. Anyway, thank you very much for coming out today, Reg. What? That's a bit weird, isn't it?
Yeah.
Thank you very much for coming out today, mate. I really do appreciate it.
It's alright.
Good. It better be alright. How long did it take you to come down today?
Not too long, about 2 hours.
2 hours, yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. Where did you come down from?
Stafford.
Stafford?
Yeah, just above Birmingham.
Okay, yeah, so not too bad.
Not too far.
Yeah, but listen, mate, your car, I'm telling you now, yeah, I'm actually getting sick of myself. I say this on every video. This is the best looking car I've had on this channel.
I agree.
You agree? Look, I've had a Liberty Walk BMW CS. That car was mad, yeah? It's a mad car, and it is probably one of the best cars on the channel, yes.
Yeah.
But this, as an everyday car, at a realistic price, does it for me. Because that car, you're looking at 150k for the car and the kit alone. It's a lot of money. But this, for your average person, amazing. Like I said, the first time you pulled out, I thought this looks like a bloody Batmobile. Do you get that quite a bit?
Yeah.
You do, yeah?
Batmobile, yeah.
It's just black and it's just mad, blacked out. Let's start off with your roll cage. So what's the story behind the roll cage?
Well, I don't know. I never really have passengers or anything. Just like me and the missus or me and the mates, or do you know what I mean? Like me and you now. So I just thought, do you know what, mix it up a bit.
Yeah.
Make it stand out from everything else and just take the seats out. So.
Okay. So is it mostly for a visual look, is it?
Mostly visual. It does help with rear end performance because you can see in the corners it like bolts into where the seat belts are.
Oh yeah.
So just helps it like stabilise at the rear, a bit less kind of body roll and stuff.
Is that right then?
On the corners.
And you've realised that
I've noticed a bit of a difference.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not like massive. It's not going to obviously like shave times or points and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot better. Just a bit more stable. And obviously, it's something different, isn't it?
Yeah, no, it looks, bruv, it looks amazing. I think I'm gonna rip out my back seats and kick out my kids out my car and
put them on the roof.
Yeah. Listen. Before we move on, I really think your exhaust is broken.
Yeah, I think so.
It's loud as I don't want to say. I'm not gonna swear no more. But your exhaust. What is wrong with your exhaust, bro?
Straight off a tractor, mate.
No, because you know what? You know when I was recording the back, you know, your startup, it actually gave me a heart attack, man. I'm the one who told you not to tell me nothing about the car, but bro, it's really loud. Like, I don't want to say it again, but it's probably the loudest exhaust I've heard on the channel, mate. Let me fix this. Your car is too loud, if I'm being honest, but I like it. I do like it. Yeah. So what exhaust is it?
So it's got a catless Cobra.
Oh, is it a catless Cobra?
Yeah, so it's got no cat.
Okay.
No boxes, no centre pipe, and then straight through with carbon tips are from IPOWDED.
How do you say Akrapovic?
Akrapovic,
yeah, that's it. Akrapovic. Yeah. It's just mad. And in terms of wheels, what wheels do you have on the car?
So it's got the standard 18s that it comes on. I didn't really want to change up. I bought wheels before, and you lose too much money buying wheels.
Right.
I mean, you spend loads of money. So I had them sent off powder coated black.
So what are these original BMW wheels?
Yeah, the original.
So you just got them
just blacked out. Yeah. Because it's just like, if you start spending money on wheels and stuff, you're never going to get it back. And I like the look of the standard ones anyway.
No, it does. It does. It makes it look original.
Yeah, that's what it's about.
And you've got quite a bit of carbon going on inside the car.
Yeah.
So in your door handle, is that real carbon here as well?
Yeah. So
is that real carbon?
Carbon there.
Is this real carbon though?
There. That's wrapped. That is
wrapped.
These are all real carbon, but they're wrapped there.
Because I'm not gonna lie, I thought you were lying for a second. Because I was asking you, is this really yeah, that's definitely a wrap.
Car's carbon.
And do you have any carbon? I forgot. Do you have any carbon outside the car?
So I've got
the spoiler.
Yeah. So spoiler, antennae, and then obviously the mirrors and stuff like that as well. They're all real carbon fibre.
Yeah. No, it looks mad. And another thing that really stands up on your car is the red interior.
Yeah. Always.
Isn't it?
Yeah. It's the last one. They've stopped doing it now.
Well, completely red interior.
Well, within the 1 Series, they don't do it anymore.
No
so like
way.
When they brought out the Shadow Edition, I got like the last one with red leather in it.
Bruv, man, the red interior on this actually really it pops, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it goes really well with the black car.
Yeah.
Normally we have this conversation when the car's driving, because we're stationary. It seems a bit dead. Do you know what I mean? Like, we haven't really moved.
No, we're going really fast.
Slow down! Oh my god, this is crazy. Bloody temporary traffic lights. Listen, I think let the car moving a bit, then we'll carry on with the conversation. But I don't even know what else I want to ask you. Yeah. What else, mate?
What else, mate?
How's the kids?
Yeah. I hope I haven't got any.
Yeah, this is getting a bit awkward now. I feel a bit uncomfortable.
At least it's a nice day. This is a sick road to drive on.
I know, man. Mad, bruv. You know what I mean? Bloody move out the way! Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Yeah, so in regards to the numbers of your car, what are you pushing in terms of brake horsepower?
So before I had the cat out, it was 448 brake
448,
yeah,
okay.
And then 500 newton meters of torque.
Yeah.
Obviously since then the cat, it ranges really, people say anywhere between 20 and 30 brakes. So it could be anywhere from 470, but obviously it's better to get proper figures before you start.
So let's just call it 470. And how much torque is that? Sorry, 470?
So 470 brake and then 500 newton meters of torque.
Wow.
Yeah.
Must be pretty quick then, no?
Well, quicker than the average car, I guess. And
what have you done in terms of modifications to the car, engine-wise today?
So engine-wise, it's been remapped by Vizu Tuning.
Okay.
It's got Burger Tuning, air filter.
Okay.
And then that's probably most of it, to be fair. That's all you really need.
Yeah.
And then obviously the cat's got a decat, so that's most mods that you need doing really.
Yeah. And in regards to, have you lowered your car? Is it standard?
Yes, it's got 25mm all round. 15mm spaces on the rear.
Right.
And then 12mm on the front.
Your car, it drops well.
Yeah.
That's why I think it gives it that stance sort of look.
Yeah.
And you've covered your headlights as well. Have you wrapped them all?
So they've been wrapped. Use a company in Telford, Auto Shine and Tinting. They've done all the kind of tints, everything that I've done. So front lights, eyelids, windows, rear lights, and
even the black badge you've wrapped. So is that a wrap on top of the badge, or is that just the original badge?
Yeah, just the original badge, but that was sprayed. That was.
Oh, it's sprayed.
Took them off, taken to a body shop where I work, and then had it all sprayed over. So.
Yeah. And another addition, you got a sunroof.
Sunroof, yeah, that was one thing I wanted. When I spec'd it up, I was like, I want a sunroof.
Okay.
I think it was like 1,200 quid option, but obviously when it's sunny like today, just bang that open.
It's worth it, man, isn't it?
Yeah.
So are these quite kind of rare in 1 Series?
Yeah, you'll see a few of them, but obviously most people, they don't spec it, they'll just obviously want like heated seats and stuff. They don't really want sunroofs.
You've got the heated seats as well?
Yeah, heated seats, Harman Kardon as well.
Yeah.
Nav, obviously red leather, speed limit display, loads of, pretty much had every option that I could at the time.
Oh, is it?
Apart from adaptive suspension, because I knew I was going to lower it, so it's pointless having that, do you know what I mean?
So apart from that, you've covered everything else, have you?
Yeah, pretty much.
And how long have you had the car for?
2017, I got it in May. from new.
And how much did it set you back, if you don't mind me asking?
So on the road price was 41 grand. So
wow.
And then I'm probably about 2-3k in mods at the moment. So
45k set you back.
Yeah.
It's quite a bit of money though, isn't it, for a 2-seater?
Yeah.
yeah.
Smart car.
Reg, man, it's been a pleasure.
Yes, man.
It's been a pleasure to sit in a Batmobile. Honestly, I think I've had enough fun.
Yeah.
Your car is just crazy. I have no words to describe it. To me, this feels like a proper beast.
Yeah.
It's got the speed, it's got the pull, it's got everything, and the sound coming from the exhaust or the engine, wherever it's fucking coming from your ass. Man, it sounds wicked. But anyway, Reg, I think that is it for today's video, my friend.
Yes, man.
Do you want to leave any of your social media links down below?
Yeah, so Instagram, R13EEG.
So you want to say in that camera, mate?
I'll do that one.
go on, give me
some. Instagram, R13EEG, give it a follow, hit me up, see all my posts on there, and obviously don't forget to subscribe to Fuel the Force.
Anyway guys, listen, thank you very much for watching my video, or the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Reg, do you want to say goodbye to that camera?
Peace.
Take care, guys.